Hello brothers, sisters, here Kodo. So still on the local food from Togo. Today's recipe is bitter leaf with EGUSI and it's being made like a stew form. Very easy to prepare and the ingredients also are the basic ingredients you can get anywhere in the world. And one thing I've realized over here in Togo is that all the recipe doesn't take much time on fire. Very easy, quick, and then it's ready. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you also try this recipe at home and man, let me know in the comment section. So if today's your first time watching, can you share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother, and man, let's do this. Kodo. So today's program is sponsored by TapTapSend. So TapTapSend is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send a space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download TapTapSend. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. So this is bitter leaf aluma. So taken from the branches. This how. Wow. So what happens if you cook with the stem?
It's bitter.
So this is the bitter.
Oui.
This
one too.
This one is bad, but this is more bitter than this. Okay, so if you don't take it off, it will be more bitter. You can't eat it.
Yes.
Wow. So the reason why they're taking everything off is that this stem over here, or the branch over here, is very bitter. Okay, so if they don't take it off, it's very bitter. You can't eat it. Amazing. So basically, Togo, the southern part is more like the airway, and the northern is it's a different part altogether. So my name over here comes from the north. Okay, so I should prepare some of the northern food they have here in Togo. So it will not be like the southern side, which looks similar like the airway food we have in Ghana, the Voterian food, by different varieties as well. Yeah, so stick and stay, more things sagwan. See? So we are starting our bitter leaf soup, and first by washing it. Okay, so before it was taken out from the branches because the branch is too bitter. So that's the soda inside water, and also soda it cleanses and washes leaves. So it goes inside boiling with the heated water. So bitter leaf soup is what we're doing now. Okay, so this is our Henry over here, and we're taking off the scales from it. So it comes like this. Jado, this is Jado, right?
Yes.
Okay, Jado. I always call it Jado. We have this herring over here, dry smoked fish. That's what we're using. Test it to see if it's soft or not. It's hard. Our bitter leaf is not ready. Then we sieve it to get the water out. Is it because it's bitter, that's why I don't need the water? Okay. So the water is taken out because of the bitterness. Yeah, so because of the bitterness, you need to take off the liquid. Yeah, so after boiling and throwing the water away, you have to wash it with normal water. Take away the bitterness, if not you can't eat it. Because it's bitter leaf. That's what she's doing, making sure that all the bitter is gone. We're using momoi for the bitter leaf soup also. Now this is the momoi. Salted fish. So we use coconut oil for this bitter leaf soup. And I believe it's coconut because to give flavor. Wow, coconut no wow. We start by adding our garlic pepper, ginger, and garlic, and the salted fish. So we put some money. And we stir fry a little bit. Tomato sauce goes inside as quick as that. So we're about to add the fish. Jago, yeah. Nice smoked fish, herring, so tomato sauce. Goes in like that. And one thing I've noticed when I went to water is that their cooking is very quick and easy. Like they don't waste much time on fire. Like easy and quick, yeah. Same thing happening over here. That's what it taste. So we have EGUSI melon seed, and it goes in like that. Now without mixing it with water. Okay. So the bitter leaves comes with the EGUSI, and this is soup, not stew. And I believe the Waterians of the southern part of Togo learned the way of making their soup from Nigeria, because Nigerians also make their soup like this. So a bit of water has been added, and make a quick stir. After 2 minutes of adding the EGUSI, we're adding in our garnishing apparatus here, the kakushito and the onion, I believe. It's time to add in the bitter leaf. It goes in like that. So this is bitter leaf soup from Togo. It looks like a EGUSI kind of soup, EGUSI stew kind of kotombre for it. Yeah, it looks like kotombre for it, but this is bitter leaf soup. Yeah, it's soup. That's stew. That's called amazing. Again, after 2 minutes, we're adding on onion. Yeah, this for garnishing kind of purpose. And when this is ready, it can be served with rice, yam, abodo, anything, just name it. Yeah? You know what it is. Tenge, she's a waitress. She cooks in large quantity. So if we're in Togo, our flour, and want someone to cook for your weddings, birthday, funerals, and everything, David Tenge is there. So the food is the bitter leaf soup is ready, and man, within 15-20 minutes, it's done. And this is how it looks like. Amazing.
The mess rolls. Some people say this is Kakoma Matofo and I'm a Bushman for our Ghana. They defer tap sing.
This is your music tap and the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this coffee na a tap.
Tap send with the girl will be around the up now. Carrot master after country.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secure. TapTap is very secure.
What I like about tap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve and secured everywhere. I've never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one about when you na ya Tap sing, Papa no.